Hi guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've filmed a video, but if you've seen my last video, you know why. But today I'm back, and I have another Verydice unboxing for you guys. And this time it's a legit unboxing because it's in a box. And this is a present for my boyfriend. Well, one of the presents for him. I'm so thankful he does not watch my videos. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Ouch! I just put myself. What I got him was I'm bleeding. Hold on just a second, you guys. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. But like I was saying before, I cut myself with a fork. So be careful when opening boxes. But anyway, I got him a board game because he absolutely loves board games, and I got him the game Sorry. This is one that he doesn't have, and this is one that we can play together when I go visit him. He can also play with his family if he wants to. So I find this to be a perfect gift. This is what the cover looks like. And this is what the back of the box looks like. With each Verydice package that you redeem, you get, it's usually 2 pieces of paper, but I decided to put it on one this time. The top one, well, you can't really see it in the camera, but the top one right here is a thank you note, and it says, "A gift for you. Thanks for playing. Verydice, Ashley, enjoy." And the other one is just a receipt, I guess. So you'll get this every time you redeem a package from Verydice. I forgot to mention that this only cost me 6,000 tickets. I was also going to get him Connect 4, but they sold out of it before I could get another 6,000 tickets. So hopefully before Christmas, I'll be able to get that for him to add to his collection. I'm such a good girlfriend. I get him what he likes. I'm totally kidding. I suck at being a girlfriend. But, yeah, that's my video. And if you guys have any other video requests you want to see, please let me know down in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Guys, I apologize. I forgot to mention that if you want to add me on Verydice, my friend code will be linked down below. And I totally recommend that you do download this game if you want free stuff. Not only that, this was supposed to come tomorrow, but it actually came a day early, which is fan-fucking-tastic, at exactly 2:16 p.m. So, way to go, Verydice. Kudos to you. So, like I said, if you want free shit, not only did I get this for cheap, because I got it on cheap ticket price, because I ordered it on Black Friday. Of all days. It came a day early. So, I highly recommend you download the app. You'll thank me later. Thanks for watching. Bye.